Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, today we are studying chapter Human Health and Diseases. In that we are studying topic RH factor. RH factor means recess factor, which every one of us have. Let's study and find out more about it. RH factor. Whenever I say RH factor, it means recess factor. Now, recess factor or RH factor is nothing but an antigen which is present on the RBCs or erythrocytes in every individual. We all have RH cells. We can be Rh positive or Rh negative. This antigen could be of positive type or of negative type depending upon the individual. Now, this antigen was discovered by Landestrin on the surface of rhesus monkey, and that's the reason it was called as Rh. Is there any chances that your mother is rhesus positive or Rh negative and you being rhesus negative too? There could be certain chances, right? And there could be opposite chances also that your mother is rhesus negative and you are rhesus positive. Fair enough. Equal probability lies in both of them. If opposite rhesus factors, for example, if rhesus negative and other forms which are opposite collides among them, especially when an individual or a lady is pregnant, something called as hemolytic disease of a newborn can occur. Also, this Rh factor is very important whenever blood transfusion or blood transfers are done. Rh factor or the rhesus factor that every individual on earth would have on their blood cells or RBCs. It is an antigen that's present on the surface of RBCs or red blood cells or erythrocytes for that matter. It is present in every individual and was discovered by Landstrin on the surface of rhesus monkey. From there the name was derived Rh factor. It is important in blood transfusion. For example, whenever blood transfusions are done, along with checking the compatibility of the blood group, that which blood group can be transferred to which individual, it is also checked that whether the Rh group is compatible or not. If the Rh group is not compatible, there are chances that if negative Rh group or opposite Rh group is transferred, there could be blasting of RBCs, or which is also termed as erythroblastolysis of cells. All your RBCs will be destroyed in no seconds if opposite Rh factor is transferred in your body. Now your Rh factor, why it needs to be compatible is Rh factor can induce a strong immune response or immunogenic response when introduced in Rh negative individual. A clear example of this could be, for example, if a mother who's pregnant or a lady who's pregnant is Rh positive in a sense and the child is Rh negative, there are strong chances that if the blood groups meet, especially during placental transfer or when the baby is delivered, if the blood groups meet or connect somewhere, the Rh positive and the Rh negative would react completely, and that can lead to fatal results, especially to the fetus or a baby. it can result to a hemolytic disease of the newborn. When I say hemolytic disease, it means destruction of the RBCs. It is termed also as erythroblastolysis of the fetus or erythroblastolysis fetalis. Basically, the fetus who has very less immune response or is slowly and steadily developing an immune response gets opposite Rh factors from its mother. There are chances that this opposite Rh factors can lead to the destruction of RBCs or red blood cells of the fetus very rapidly. We all know that RBCs are destroyed every 120 days, but whenever hemolytic disease of the newborn happens, that time RBCs are destroyed in no time, which can lead to severe fatal infections, severe fatal diseases, etc. That's the reason Rh testing is done, especially also during blood transfusion or blood transfer, along with testing the blood compatibility. For example, which donor can give blood to which receiver, that's also checked. Blood Rh compatibility, whether it is Rh positive, are the Rh negative, are the two people, receiver and donor, compatible, everything is checked. I hope students, you all are clear about this concept of Rh factor. Thank you.